Rising like a formidable spine through the heart of Europe, the Alps stand as one of the most iconic mountain ranges in the world. Stretching across 8 countries, this awe-inspiring natural wonder has shaped history, culture, and adventure for centuries. Join us as we explore the breathtaking beauty, geological marvels, and rich heritage of the Alps. The Alps were formed millions of years ago by the collision of the African and Eurasian tectonic plates. This intense geological activity created a rugged landscape of towering peaks, deep valleys, and stunning glaciers. The mountain range stretches for about 1,200 kilometers from France in the west to Slovenia in the east, covering parts of Switzerland, Italy, Germany, Austria, and more. The Alps boast some of the highest and most famous peaks in Europe. Mont Blanc, the tallest at 4,809 meters, stands as a beacon for climbers and adventurers. The jagged Matterhorn, with its unmistakable pyramid shape, is a dream for mountaineers. The Dolomites, known for their dramatic limestone formations, create some of the most spectacular landscapes in the region. And let's not forget the vast glaciers, such as the Lech Glacier in Switzerland, the largest in the Alps. Despite its harsh conditions, the Alps are home to a diverse array of wildlife. The Alpine ibex, with its magnificent curved horns, scales the steepest cliffs with ease. Marmots whistle to warn of approaching predators, while golden eagles soar high above the valleys. The region's lush meadows bloom with vibrant wildflowers in summer, providing nourishment to countless species. For centuries, humans have found ways to live among these towering peaks. From the early Celts and Romans to medieval trade routes, the Alps have been a crossroads of civilizations. Today, picturesque villages like Zermatt and Chamonix preserve a unique alpine culture, blending tradition with modernity. The Alps are also known for their rich culinary heritage. Think hearty cheese fondues, delicious raclette, and warm alpine stews. The Alps are a paradise for adventure seekers. Winter sports enthusiasts flock to world-renowned resorts, such as St. Moritz, Courchevel, and Kitzbühel for some of the best skiing and snowboarding experiences. In summer, hiking trails lead travelers through breathtaking landscapes from the Tour du Mont Blanc to the high-altitude trails of the Austrian Alps. Paragliding over the peaks, rock climbing, and cycling are just a few ways to experience the Alps in all their glory. However, this breathtaking region faces challenges. Climate change is rapidly melting glaciers and affecting alpine ecosystems. Scientists predict that many of these ancient ice formations could disappear within decades. Conservation efforts are underway, with sustainable tourism, protected national parks, and awareness campaigns playing a crucial role in preserving the Alps for future generations. The Alps are more than just mountains. They are a symbol of nature's power and beauty. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or a deep connection with the past, these majestic peaks have something for everyone. So pack your bags and let the Alps take your breath away.